Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Laura, and we are wandering around San Francisco today looking for cheap food.
I'm gonna use this for everything.
The biggest sesame ball. So this is definitely a good cheap option. We're officially in Chinatown. We're gonna get our fortune read by Confucius. And he looks really serious about this whole thing.
Ni hao. Step up and hear the great wisdom of Confucius. It is easy to hate, and it is difficult to love.
Zoltar speaks.
See you later, Confucius. We're gonna go into, it's hard to see, here, Eastern Bakery. We're gonna get some famous baked pork buns, which I still haven't tried yet. Oh my God. This place is kind of known for their moon cakes as well. And now that it's getting close to Chinese New Year, we're only about a month away. They've clearly ramped it up. This is so many kinds of moon cakes. And these are all handmade, like legit ones too. And Bill Clinton graces us with his presence daily here. So yeah, there are like a million options. I know we need a couple of those for sure.
I need one of these.
Ooh. The three things I heard for sure are the pineapple bun, the sesame ball, those things with the black bean or the red bean, and then the baked barbecue pork buns. Thank you. The Wok Shop. Okay, we just saw this. It's right next to Eastern Bakery, so we're gonna pop in here and see what they have. They have like a bunch of like food stuff. Oh my God, I need one of these. I used to have an iron wok when we were in China, and it was like my favorite cooking equipment ever.
Let's get one. I'm gonna use this for everything.
This is awesome. Guys, these knives are like anywhere from like 10 to like 30 bucks, depending on which one you get. They're really good value.
20.
It's really awesome. And then the handle is super cool.
I think I'm gonna get this one.
They have like a bunch of like tea strainer options. This store is so cool, you guys.
Look at
It's
these.
like full of stuff here. Awesome Chinese cooking tools. You're gonna like go broke here.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, you get a little bag. So this is the shop, you guys. This shop is awesome. If you're coming to Chinatown, you
Please
should
come
definitely go here. Time to taste some stuff. This is the biggest sesame ball I've, yeah, for real. I feel like
This is Twilight.
Okay, I feel like we have to start with a baked pork bun though, because they're warm. I mean, it's legit, but
That's not the best.
I kind of feel like it's too sweet.
A lot of bun and not enough pork.
A lot of bun, not enough pork. It's still hot. It's a good snack.
It's good, but it's not the best.
I paid like $4.25 for 2 baked pork buns and that giant sesame ball. So this is definitely a good cheap option if you're around Chinatown, hungry in San Francisco. We're just sitting on a bench right outside
Our favorite
bakery and the Wok Shop place.
The best shop.
You want to taste the sesame ball?
Yes.
I'm like so full, to be honest.
Yeah, we've been eating a lot, guys. All right, here we go. So it's a lot of air, just a little bit of this little
Yeah,
smudge.
I was much feeling. It's very poofy. That was pretty good. I think I like that better than the pork bun. I don't know how that's possible because pork buns are so good. It's pretty oily, it's very filling. The pork bun is like way sweeter than I expected, like too sweet. And this one's like a nice balance, which I appreciate. Sesame ball. Oh, I didn't notice that, guys. There's like the terracotta warrior people up there.
They're watching out for us.
Oh, that's cool. They're like guardians. So now, per Laura's recommendation, which I've technically kind of been here before, we're going down a really sketchy alley. See, sketchy alley. Ooh, see, super sketchy. And we're gonna go to the fortune cookie factory. It smells really good. I feel so fat right now. Been here forever. Fortune cookies are like from California, they're not from China. It's called the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. Any like tour of Chinatown is probably gonna take you here. Oh my God, guys. Anytime a new business opens in China, this is the display that they put outside to let them know that they're like successful and they're open, and that's so funny that it's in Chinatown too. More kind of off topic, but oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, so last time I came here, I popped inside the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, which is right here, and I started filming, and then I quickly ran out because I saw a sign that says that you have to pay if you're gonna film. I think we should get a bag of like the chocolate. You said adult fortune cookies?
We're getting the adult fortune cookies.
Are they shaped like?
No. So they have adult fortunes in them that are really
Ooh, okay, let's do it.
fresh.
It's warm. Oh, it's good. That's good.
We were told we're allowed to film in here now.
You can make one.
That's really cool. Whoa. Giant fortune cookies. These are just like the unformed ones. So it's a little cheaper.
Glass rounds. I have green tea.
But we have to make a decision. I want the adult ones. X-rated, regular, and chocolate. Might as well see what my fortune is. Fooling You says, pregnant nurse has theme song named Witch Doctor. It doesn't make any sense. None of these do.
When wine, women, and song become too much for you, give up singing.
These are X-rated.
Don't just eat it with the paper.
That's how I do it. Mmm. Chocolate's pretty good. Eunuch, not strange creature, just man cut out to be bachelor.
They're horrible, but I love them.
Cheap eats alert. Oh, you can kind of see the Bay Bridge from here too.
Oh wow, that's a really cool
I
picture.
feel like the espresso just kicked in. This is like way too much fun. I feel like guilty almost.
Why?
Like I'm on a vacation.
We are on vacation.
We're on a ladycation. Woo! Okay, so right now we're gonna walk up Columbus, which is kind of a weird diagonal street, and we're gonna go to North Beach, and we're gonna do a pizza showdown.